Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn C++ complete from ChatGPT. Right now, I just finished writing a pretty basic linked list class. So now I'm gonna probably take in time to look at ChatGPT's suggestions and how I can improve it. So first is like correct the append method set the previous pointer of the new node, which is something I just simply forgot to do. So when you look into that, how basically you create a new node and then you say a certain node's next is the new node, and then basically because you're doing it two different ways, I guess basically you can keep track of the old node. So let's look at my original code for that. Yeah, all I simply did was say the next node, which doesn't work in linked list that goes in both directions. So I guess I could just recreate it easily. And then finally, we can end this part by simply saying that our new node's previous pointer would be node. Yay! From there, you should add a destructor to get rid of memory leaks. And this is basically all doing is traversing the entire linked list and removing it all. So it's basically like the same of, it's kind of the same as the saying all the elements logic with a slight variation. So I'm just gonna copy and paste that for now because I'm feeling lazy because I already understand it. Trust. Okay, what else do we gotta work on? Improve the display method. Well, that's pretty easy. Yay! And then add a method to display the list in reverse. So I'm gonna probably do that by scratch, but how would I do this? Well, the first step would obviously be to get the last element of the array. Last element of the linked list. So we can use the same logic for that from the append. And then after we have our last node, so we'll just name this last node for clarity, or just to make it more clear, whatever you want to call it. And then basically just say, while the last node exists, all you have to do is just log this out and then change it to the last node. I know like that doesn't really make much sense by calling it the last node necessarily, but we're just gonna make it go to the previous one. Hopefully that works. Why is this not working? I thought this one worked. Try my online interpreter again. Yeah, this is working, so I think that's something weird. Maybe I'm not running the latest version. Like I forgot to recompile it. And let's try the list.display backwards. Like it didn't fail to compile, so I think it would work. But you never know. So yay. So I'm just gonna give it this code and say, is this good? And also, I guess I should be checking for some edge cases. And yeah, seems to be going pretty well, honestly. And honestly, this assignment was really fun to do. It really helped my pointer syntax. And it was pretty fun reassigning these simply to a pointer just like that. Like, I normally think of adding like stars and everything, but boom, you can just reassign it to another pointer and later read the value, which I just found was really cool. And I also had to learn how to use this arrow syntax, where basically you don't have to actually dereference the node, because when you're doing this arrow, you're actually kind of dereferencing it and getting the value. So yeah, this definitely was a good assignment for me to do to get better at my pointers. This doesn't use that complicated like smart pointers and unique pointers and whatnot, which I think you would need a more complicated data types and memory systems. But I'm pretty proud of this so far. I know this was a short video, but I just want to review this a little, that's all. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hope you subscribe like always. Bye bye.